So hey guys, this is Satyajeet and you're watching the tips and tricks video on the Redmi K20 and the Redmi K20 Pro. But before we get started, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification icon to get notifications when a new video is up. So with that out of the way, let's get started with the video. The first thing you'll notice about the Redmi K20 is the cool pop-up camera. Apart from the cool lighting effects, you'll also notice that a sound effect also follows the cool animation. The thing that a very few people know is that you can change the sound effect, but the setting is difficult to locate. To change the pop-up camera sound effects, jump into the settings app and then scroll down over to the additional settings. From there, select the front camera effect option. After that, you'll be able to change the pop-up camera sound effects in the following menu along with customization options for the animations. You might have noticed that a cool animation shows when you unlock the phone using the fingerprint sensor. Now you can also change this, but the setting is in an unconventional location. To change the fingerprint scanner animation, jump into the settings app and then select the lock screen and password settings. Here, tap on the manage fingerprints options and then enter your password to proceed to the next step. Then in the following menu, select fingerprint animation. That will lead you to a customization window where you'll be able to select either of the 4 available animations for the fingerprint scanner. The Redmi K20 series has an AMOLED display, so you do expect always on display functionality, and surprisingly it does have the feature. To turn on the always on display, head over to the settings app and then select the display settings. Here, choose the ambient display option. In the following menu, you'll be able to turn on always on option by tapping on the toggle right next to it. You'll also be able to change the clock style and the background for the always on display and even set the schedule for the feature to turn on or off automatically. The K20 series undoubtedly has a good set of camera sensors, but what makes it even better is the Google Camera mod. So let's have a look at it. Download the APK from the link in the description below, just install it as a normal APK. But that's not it. You need to change some of the settings to make the app even more effective. Go to the settings and tap on the F1 mode settings. Change both the back camera and the front camera model to Pixel 3 XL. Also, enable use modified libraries and also enable use HDR plus enhanced in portrait mode. If you also want to use the wide angle lens in the Gcam app, also enable use second aux back lens. Now you're done. Go click some amazing pictures with the Redmi K20 or the K20 Pro. So that was pretty much it for the tips and tricks video on the Redmi K20 and the K20 Pro. Hit the like button if you like this video and be sure to subscribe to this channel for more such awesome content. Thank you very much for watching this video. This has been Satyajeet. See you in the next one.